My name is Stitch and welcome to this special episode of Retro Machines. This is awesome. This, I hope you can see it, is a vinyl record, and it contains software, a full functioning mailing list system written by John M. Billing. Oh, it also has a that's the cash register. It also has a usable database compared to other non-usable databases. This is a very usable database, and it's very thin. So we're going to place this at the wall of data. This is the wall of data, and it contains a lot of different devices: SSDs, super disks, floppy disks, memory sticks, and whatever. And there's a lot of stuff that we still have to place on this wall of data, and another cash register. So we're going to put it over there. It's pristine. Ew. Hashtag good enough. First vinyl with data. Alright, obviously we have a problem. It's way too much stuff, and we're gonna make it disappear. So what we're gonna do is look around and see if there's stuff that we can just get rid of, or make someone else happy with it, or just recycle it, or I don't know, just make it disappear magically. And what we're gonna do is use these beautiful stickers, put them on things, label them, and make sure that the stuff will disappear. This is a Commodore VIC-20, but it's the ugliest I've ever seen. So we're gonna look at the serial number, and if it's a very high one, it's gonna go. Fuck it, it's gonna go. Oh, what's gonna go? Got two of these printers. This is a very new laptop. I know someone who can. Let's get some new stickers. It's not supposed to be here. I see this ugly ass huge laser printer container. Is that a Spectrum stuff? Nah. No, that's awesome. That's awesome. But these boxes, the final one. As you can see, we labeled a lot of stuff, and it's now time to make it disappear. Let's get a container. And since we all hate waiting, we're gonna make it a time lapse. Change of plan. This is not gonna work. We need 2 cards. This is a very ugly laptop. And you can open it if you really want, and then it's even more hideous. And the cool thing is about this laptop is you can detach the display and flip it around. And it has a small matrix display. So it's so ugly, it's gotta stay. Unfortunately, this brings us to the end of the first special Retro Machines episode. If you like this, please subscribe, like, or hit that little bell to get more Retro Machines videos. Thank you for watching. This was my first video. If you like this, please say so. If you want to visit the HYPRA Computer Museum and see what it is becoming, you're more than welcome to. You can do so on every Tuesday and Friday. We're located in Arnhem, the Netherlands. Look at hack42.nl. All links are in the description. This is the first time I'm saying that. So all links are in the description. With that, I will take a few pictures and close off this episode. And you can look at the awesome stuff that we have here and that we're trying to put on display properly. So again, thanks for watching. My name is Stitch. See you later.
Good morning, and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel.